Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find k value. Solution: k plus 6 whole power 2 equal to 81. Here we are going to apply this algebra formula that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This algebra formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get here k square plus 6 square plus 2 times k 6 equal to 81. Now here k square plus 6 square is 36 plus here 2 times 6 is 12, k equal to 81. Now here k square now plus 12k plus this is 36 equal to 81. Now we are going to move this 81 left hand side. So we'll get here k square plus 12k plus 36 minus 81 equal to 0. Now k square plus 12k, here this is negative 45 equal to 0. Now this 12 can be written as 15k minus 3k. This we are going to apply here. So k square 15k minus 3k minus 45 equal to 0. Now k open bracket k plus 15, here we are going to take this 3 minus 3k plus 15 equal to 0. Here k plus 15, k plus 15 common out, so k plus 15. Here remaining we have k minus 3 equal to 0. Here k plus 15 equal to 0, k minus 3 equal to 0. From this k equal to minus 15, here k equal to plus 3. These are the possible answer in first method. Now we are going to do this in other method, that method 2. Here k plus 6 whole square equal to 81. Now in this method k plus 6 whole square, moving this 81 left hand side, so negative 81 equal to 0. Here this 81 can be written as k plus 6 whole square minus 9 square equal to 0. Here we are going to apply this a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. This algebra formula we are going to apply here. Consider this is a, this is b. So k plus 6 here plus 9, here k plus 6 minus 9 equal to 0. Now k plus this is 15, here k minus this is 3 equal to 0. Here k plus 15 equal to 0, here k minus 3 equal to 0. From this k equal to, moving this right hand side, so negative 15, this is k value in second method. Here k equal to plus 3. This is the same in second method. Now We are going to do this in other method, that method 3. Here k plus 6 whole square equal to 81. In this method, we are going to take square root on both sides. So 81. Now the square and square root will cancel each other. Here we have k plus 6 equal to, here the square root of 81 is plus or minus 9. Now we have here k plus 6 equal to plus 9 comma k plus 6 equal to negative 9. Now k equal to 9 minus 6, k equal to, here this is 3 in this side, so k equal to negative 9 negative 6. Here k equal to negative 15 in third method. Thanks for watching this video.